Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Yamaha V-Star 950. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 15,000 miles, metallic red in color. It's got highway bars, floorboards, Mustang custom saddle, passenger backrest, locking hard case Yamaha side bags, beautiful 950cc V-twin fuel injected belt drive, 6-speed transmission, heel toe shifter, gorgeous mid-size cruiser. It's got some nice mini apes on there. Come by, check it out. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for $49.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, how about that muffler? Make some noise. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.